B4Restore is an industry-leading data protection as a service provider with over 2 decades of expertise in backup, storage, and business continuity. Our data protection as a service eliminates costly infrastructure, ensures robust security, and meets strict compliance demands for managed service providers. Embrace an agile, OpEx-based model that reduces risk, increases reliability, and delivers rapid recovery whenever it's needed. With advanced automation, self-service, and a strong separation of duties governance framework, we safeguard your clients' critical data while freeing up resources for core growth. We equip our MSP partners with an easy-to-consume resource library to accelerate your success. Our white-labeled materials let you brand collateral as your own, enabling seamless client education, service introductions, commercial and technical descriptions. Keep your teams informed on the innovative and differentiated data protection services your clients can leverage. Our co-branded campaigns highlight your value add and drive new opportunities. From sales enablement to ongoing training, we deliver everything you need to strengthen customer relationships and growth. Partner with us to safeguard client workloads, meet new demands, and confidently deliver world-class resilience without the complexity or hidden costs. Connect with our specialists to discuss a partnership that boosts margins and accelerates time to value. Engage with B4Restore and unlock new levels of MSP profitability and client trust. Visit B4Restore.com for more information.